Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're at in the world. Hopefully you're having a great day. Today is monumental. We have gotten everything done at our brand new storage facility. It's been completely rehabbed, and it's just absolutely tremendous on how long it actually took.
The prettiest thing I ever saw. A red bird on a fallen log. In the mountains, in the evening.
The final count was 20 days from when we arrived to when we're open for business. It took 21 days to rehab 2,400 square feet of self-storage. That meant cleaning out units. That meant scrubbing the walls. It meant scrubbing the building, painting the building, repairing the doors and locks and mechanisms, installing our crooked sign, hanging other signs. I mean, it was an intense process, and we had to deal with 3 tornado warnings. But we had a good time. We had a good time. We got to spend Halloween here, and we got a real opportunity to meet some of the locals and kind of invest in the community, which feels really good. But we are in a hurry because we got to get to South Carolina. We've got a 15-hour drive ahead of us. We're probably going to break up in a couple days until we get to look at potentially our new storage facility. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go put out some signs around town, and we're going to load up the RV and take off for the day. Hopefully get to Alabama. That's the goal. That's it. The truck is all loaded up. Now we just got to hook up the RV and hit the road for South Carolina. We are about to pull out of here.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to pull the chocks out now.
$47, not bad. We've been doing a lot of this, just sitting here driving, which is, I hate to say it, probably the worst thing for me, because all of a sudden I have all this time to think about new things to do. And then when I arrive, I realize I don't have enough time to do the things that I want to do. It's frustrating. Oh, there's a cop.
Or police.
Anyways, you probably shouldn't drive and vlog, but I'm just incredibly bored. I will say that if you're getting into the storage business, one of the best things that I can recommend is it's a people business, okay? It's about word of mouth. It's difficult to get your name out there. But when you do, when you're the solution to people's problems, like storing their crap, that's when you have a real business. And keep in mind, self-storage is not a passive business at all. At times it can be passive, but majority of the time you got to answer the phone and you got to solve people's problems. I've already fielded 3 calls today in regards to our self-storage facilities. So understand that it's not something that you can just build it, set it, and leave it. that's somewhat of a myth. If you want to be successful, and I want to be successful, and I want you to be successful. So if you've enjoyed these daily vlogs about the self-storage, it's going to continue because we're headed straight to South Carolina to go take a look at another one. We should be there in the next couple days. Well, we've ran into some bad luck. Our RV, our brand new RV, broke a leaf spring. So probably gonna end the vlog here because, well, all I'm gonna be doing is driving through the night. Stop. Our RV, our brand new RV, broke a leaf spring in the left rear wheel. And I'm assuming the wheel bearing busted also because the grease cap is gone. This is the second time this has happened in regards to the wheel bearing, but the leaf spring is, because, and I'll probably show you right now, maybe in picture form. If the rest of the leaf spring goes, well, it's gonna rip the axle out and we'll total the RV and we'll probably crash the truck. And I don't want to die tonight, so the nice folks here at the Chevron, just about 40 minutes west of Birmingham, Alabama, is going to let us stay in their parking lot until we can get a tow truck tomorrow morning and figure out the insurance and the warranty with the RV company. So this is where the vlog ends. We're going to be spending the night in a Chevron. I'm just thankful that we caught this issue and we weren't driving down the road and the whole left side of our RV explodes, which is a real possibility that easily could have happened, especially with a single axle RV. It would have done, it could have been catastrophic, both our lives, but also the life of the truck and the RV. So the frustration ends here as we set up camp in the Chevron parking lot. I'm gonna end the vlog here, check back tomorrow to see what that outcome looks like. Have a better night than I'm having. This sucks.